Hello everyone, welcome to this channel and new video with Linux. In today's video I will install Incus. Incus is community fork of LXD, system container and virtual machine manager. So I'm installing it in Debian and continue with previous videos. So let's first install Incus. So let's continue with Incus admin init. Let's choose no default. Yes, I want to configure a new storage pool. Later I will create more. Name of the new storage pool default. Let's name this here storage backend. Let's use default again. Let's call it default. Same. No, we don't want. Default yes. Default no. Let's install some base packages. Let's add new user to Incus. Let's continue and install several storage backends. Okay, let's install some additional packages so everything can work. Okay, as you can see, we do not have anything yet because we still didn't create nothing. We can check as well storage list. As you can see, we have just default one. Later I will create extra for my use case. Let's create one container and we give it a name. This will be container because at the end, if I want virtual machine, I need to put like this VM. But let's create for now container. So let's check now containers. As you can see, we have testing one. We don't have IP. Check one more time. As you see, we created two new ones, but they don't have IP4. So this is the issue with firewall. So let's resolve that. Let's just restart the system. Let's list again and check. There. Now we have IP addresses and we have storage list. In this video, I will not show how to create extra storage pools. So for that, you can check on my website for full breakdown of every step. This IP address, if you want to set up differently, you can do like Incus list, as we can see, and we can edit that. So we can do like Incus network set, and then the name, and then you just put some new address that you want, like this. I will not change it for now because I don't need on this machine. For every step, you're gonna have on my website breakdown step by step, so you can follow up. Let's clear it for now. As you can see, we have two. They're running with IP addresses and the type container. So if you want to stop, you can do like Incus stop and the name of the container that you want to stop. And then if we print it again, you will see that testing is stopped while testing 2 is running still. If you want to start it, you can just Incus start and the name of the container. And that's it for today. Thank you for staying with me in this video. Hope you enjoyed. For step-by-step breakdown, you have it on my website. Have a nice day. Bye bye.